In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a polished product mockup using Renderforest. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pick a template, customize it with your own visuals and text, and export a clean preview for sharing or showcasing. Start by heading to the Renderforest website and clicking Login. Once you're in, look to the left panel and click Templates. This is where you will find a huge library of ready-made designs. In the search bar, type Product Mockups to narrow the results to scenes built specifically for showcasing products like packaging, apparel, devices, and more. Browse through the options and choose a template that fits your product and the context in which it will be displayed. For example, if you're promoting a mobile app, a smartphone or laptop mockup works great. For physical goods, look for packaging, bottle, or apparel scenes. When you've found a good match, open it and click Create Now. This launches the editor where you'll do all your customizations. Inside the editor, click on a scene to start personalizing it. You'll see text fields you can edit. Replace the placeholder copy with your product name, tagline, or key benefits. Keep your text short, clear, and legible. High contrast colors and simple wording tend to look most professional in mockups. Next, click Image Video to upload your product visuals. Use high-resolution files for the best results. JPG and PNG are common choices. If you have a transparent background version of your logo or product label, a PNG works especially well. After uploading, you can crop, reposition, and scale the image so it fits naturally within the scene. Pay attention to edges and alignment so everything looks clean and intentional. To make the design align with your brand, click Colors or Styles. Here you can adjust the overall theme, tweak accent colors, and choose font styles to match your brand identity. Aim for consistent color contrast so text remains readable against the background, and try to limit your palette to a few complementary tones. When your mockup looks right, click Preview. This generates a quick version so you can catch any typos or misaligned elements before finalizing. If something feels off, simply return to the editor, adjust, and preview again. Once you're happy with the result, click Export. Choose the settings that suit your needs, and let Renderforest process your mockup. That's it. You've created a professional product mockup on Renderforest, ready to present, publish, or pitch.